What if I told you there are powerful foods you can eat every single day that contain zero sugar, zero carbs, and can still help you burn fat, boost your energy, and completely transform your body? These are not boring or tasteless foods. They are nutrient-dense, satisfying, and incredibly effective for weight loss and overall health. And the best part? Most people are not even using them the right way. So make sure you stay until the end, because some of the foods later in this video might completely change the way you eat forever. And before we dive in, I've created a free ebook, Top 30 No-Sugar Foods for Fast Weight Loss. You can download it from the description and the first comment below. Simple, powerful, and one of the most complete foods on the planet, eggs are a true nutritional powerhouse that can completely change the way your body feels and performs. They contain virtually zero carbs and zero sugar, yet they are loaded with high-quality protein and healthy fats that provide long-lasting energy and keep you feeling full for hours. This combination helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, preventing sudden spikes and crashes that often lead to cravings and overeating. What makes eggs even more powerful is their ability to naturally reduce your appetite. When you start your day with eggs, your body feels satisfied for longer, which means you're less likely to snack on unhealthy foods later. They also contain important nutrients like choline, which supports brain health, and essential vitamins that help your body function at its best. This makes eggs not just a weight loss food, but a total body-supporting food. And if your goal is fat loss, eggs can play a major role. The protein in eggs helps preserve and build lean muscle, and the more muscle your body has, the more calories it burns throughout the day, even when you're not active. So by simply adding eggs into your daily routine, especially in the morning, you're giving your body a powerful tool to burn fat more efficiently while staying energized and satisfied. Rich, satisfying, and incredibly powerful for your health, salmon is one of the best zero-carb, zero-sugar foods you can add to your diet. It's loaded with high-quality protein and healthy fats that provide your body with steady, long-lasting energy without causing any blood sugar spikes. This means you stay full longer, feel more satisfied after meals, and naturally reduce cravings throughout the day. What truly makes salmon stand out is its high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats play a crucial role in reducing inflammation in the body, which is often linked to weight gain and metabolic issues. By lowering inflammation, salmon helps your body function more efficiently, supports heart health, and may even improve how your body burns fat. This makes it not just a healthy food, but a strategic food for long-term fat loss and overall wellness. In addition to that, salmon is incredibly supportive when it comes to maintaining and building lean muscle. The combination of protein and healthy fats helps your body recover faster, stay energized, and keep your metabolism active. And the best part is, it's versatile and easy to include in your meals. Whether grilled, baked, or pan-seared, adding salmon to your routine a few times a week can make a noticeable difference in how your body feels, looks, and performs. Lean, clean, and incredibly effective for fat loss, chicken breast is one of the most powerful zero-carb, zero-sugar foods you can include in your daily routine. It's packed with high-quality protein and contains almost no fat, making it an ideal option for anyone looking to lose weight while preserving muscle. Because it doesn't spike your blood sugar, it helps your body stay in a more stable and controlled state, reducing hunger and preventing unnecessary cravings. One of the biggest advantages of chicken breast is how efficiently it supports muscle growth and maintenance. When you're trying to lose fat, preserving muscle is extremely important because muscle is what keeps your metabolism active. The more lean muscle you maintain, the more calories your body burns throughout the day, even when you're resting. This means that eating enough protein from sources like chicken breast can actually help accelerate your fat loss results. Another reason chicken breast is so effective is its versatility and simplicity. You can grill it, bake it, or cook it in a variety of healthy ways without adding unnecessary carbs or sugar. It fits perfectly into almost any diet plan, whether you're eating low-carb, keto, or simply trying to eat cleaner. By making chicken breast a regular part of your meals, you're giving your body exactly what it needs to stay full, build strength, and burn fat more efficiently over time. Creamy, satisfying, and incredibly nutrient-dense, avocado is one of the most powerful foods you can eat when your goal is fat loss and long-lasting energy. Even though it contains very minimal net carbs and almost no sugar, it's rich in healthy fats that keep you full for hours. This means fewer cravings, less snacking, and better control over your appetite throughout the day. What makes avocado especially effective is the type of fats it contains. These healthy monounsaturated fats support heart health and help your body maintain stable energy levels without the ups and downs caused by sugary or high-carb foods. At the same time, avocado is packed with fiber, which slows digestion and keeps you feeling satisfied for longer periods, making it much easier to stay consistent with your diet. Another powerful benefit of avocado is how it supports overall body function while you're losing weight. It's loaded with essential nutrients like potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance and reduce bloating, and antioxidants that support your cells and overall health. And the best part is how easy it is to include in your meals. You can add it to salads, pair it with eggs, or simply eat it on its own. By including avocado regularly, you're not just eating healthy, you're giving your body a steady source of energy that helps you stay full, focused, and on track with your fat loss goals. Light, high in protein, and incredibly effective for fat loss, shrimp is one of those foods that delivers powerful results without adding unnecessary calories, carbs, or sugar. It contains virtually zero carbs and zero sugar, yet it's packed with high-quality protein that helps keep you full and satisfied after meals. This makes it an excellent choice if you're trying to reduce your calorie intake without feeling hungry all the time. What makes shrimp even more powerful is how nutrient-dense it is despite being low in calories. It provides important minerals like selenium, which supports your metabolism and immune system, and iodine, which plays a key role in thyroid function, something that directly affects how efficiently your body burns fat. When your metabolism is working properly, your body becomes much more effective at using stored fat for energy. Another advantage of shrimp is how easy it is to prepare and include in your diet. It cooks quickly, pairs well with a wide variety of healthy foods, and can turn a simple meal into something satisfying and enjoyable without adding carbs or sugar. Whether grilled, sautéed, or added to salads, shrimp gives you a clean source of protein that supports fat loss, helps maintain lean muscle, and keeps your body energized without weighing you down. Rich, smooth, and incredibly beneficial for your overall health, olive oil is one of the healthiest additions you can make to your daily meals. It contains zero carbs and zero sugar, yet it's loaded with powerful healthy fats that provide your body with steady, long-lasting energy. Unlike processed oils or unhealthy fats, olive oil supports your body instead of working against it, helping you feel satisfied and in control of your appetite. What makes olive oil especially powerful is its high content of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the body, support heart health, and improve how your body processes fat. When your body is in a lower inflammatory state, it becomes more efficient at burning fat and maintaining a healthy metabolism. This makes olive oil not just a healthy fat, but a strategic tool for long-term weight management. Another major benefit of olive oil is how easily it fits into your daily routine. You can drizzle it over salads, use it for cooking, or combine it with other clean foods to enhance both flavor and nutrition. And because it increases satiety, adding olive oil to your meals can help you feel full and satisfied without needing to overeat. By simply incorporating olive oil regularly, you're giving your body a clean, natural source of energy that supports fat loss, heart health, and overall well-being. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep bringing you powerful content like this. Rich, satisfying, and incredibly nutrient-dense grass-fed beef is one of the most powerful zero-carb, zero-sugar foods you can include in your diet. It's packed with high-quality protein and essential nutrients that help your body stay strong, energized, and full for long periods of time. Because it contains no carbs or sugar, it doesn't cause blood sugar spikes, allowing your body to stay in a more stable fat-burning state throughout the day. What makes grass-fed beef stand out is its impressive nutritional profile. It's loaded with iron, which supports oxygen flow in your body and helps maintain your energy levels, as well as vitamin B12, which plays a key role in brain function and overall metabolism. In addition, it contains healthy fats that support hormone balance, something that's extremely important when it comes to fat loss and overall health. Another major benefit of beef is how effective it is at keeping you full and reducing cravings. The combination of protein and fat sends strong signals of satiety to your brain, making it easier to avoid unnecessary snacking or overeating. At the same time, the protein helps preserve and build lean muscle, which keeps your metabolism active and helps your body burn more calories throughout the day. By including high-quality beef in your meals, you're giving your body a powerful source of fuel that supports fat loss, strength, and long-term health. Lean, clean, and incredibly effective for fat loss, turkey is one of the best zero-carb, zero-sugar protein sources you can include in your daily routine. It's rich in high-quality protein that helps keep you full for long periods, making it easier to control your appetite and avoid unnecessary snacking. Because it contains no carbs or sugar, it supports stable blood sugar levels, helping your body stay in a more consistent fat-burning state. What makes turkey especially powerful is how well it supports muscle maintenance and overall metabolism. When you're trying to lose fat, preserving lean muscle is key, and turkey provides your body with the protein it needs to do exactly that. The more muscle you maintain, the more calories your body burns throughout the day, even while resting. This makes turkey not just a healthy choice, but a strategic one for long-term fat loss. In addition to that, turkey is packed with important nutrients like B vitamins, which support energy production and help your body function efficiently throughout the day. It's also very versatile and easy to include in your meals, whether grilled, baked, or added to salads. It provides a clean, satisfying source of protein without adding unnecessary calories, carbs, or sugar. By making turkey a regular part of your diet, you're giving your body the fuel it needs to stay full, energized, and consistently moving toward your fat loss goals. Light, nutrient-dense, and incredibly powerful for your overall health, spinach is one of the best foods you can include when your goal is fat loss without adding extra calories, carbs, or sugar. It contains almost no sugar and extremely low carbs, yet it's packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your body in multiple ways. Because it's low in calories but high in volume, it allows you to eat larger portions while still staying within your daily calorie goals. What makes spinach especially effective is how it supports satiety and digestion at the same time. It's rich in fiber, which slows down digestion and helps you feel full for longer periods, reducing the urge to snack between meals. At the same time, it provides important nutrients like iron and magnesium, which support energy levels, muscle function, and overall performance, especially important if you're trying to stay active while losing weight. Another major advantage of spinach is how easy it is to include in your daily routine. You can add it to salads, blend it into smoothies, or cook it with your meals without significantly changing the flavor. It enhances your meals by adding volume and nutrition without adding carbs or sugar. By regularly including spinach in your diet, you're giving your body a clean, natural way to stay full, energized, and on track with your fat loss goals. Refreshing, hydrating, and incredibly light, cucumber is one of the easiest foods you can add to your daily routine when your goal is fat loss and better overall health. It contains almost no sugar and extremely low carbs, while being made up mostly of water, which helps keep your body hydrated and your stomach feeling full. This makes it a perfect option for reducing hunger without adding extra calories to your day. What makes cucumber especially powerful is its ability to naturally support appetite control. Because of its high water content and light fiber, it adds volume to your meals, helping you feel satisfied without overeating. This is very important when you're trying to lose weight, because it allows you to eat more food while still staying within your calorie limits. It also supports digestion and helps your body function more efficiently. Another great advantage of cucumber is how simple and versatile it is. You can eat it on its own as a quick snack, add it to salads, or pair it with protein-rich foods to create a balanced, satisfying meal. It gives you that refreshing, crunchy texture without any of the sugar or carb load that comes with processed snacks. By including cucumber regularly, you're giving your body a clean, hydrating, and low-calorie option that helps you stay full, refreshed, and consistent with your fat loss goals. Rich, satisfying, and incredibly effective for controlling hunger, cheese is one of the most enjoyable zero-sugar, very low-carb foods you can include in your diet. It's packed with healthy fats and high-quality protein that help keep you full for long periods, making it much easier to reduce cravings and avoid unnecessary snacking. Because it contains little to no sugar, it doesn't cause blood sugar spikes, allowing your energy levels to stay stable throughout the day. What makes cheese especially powerful is how it supports satiety and consistency in your diet. When you feel satisfied after your meals, you're far less likely to reach for unhealthy, high-carb snacks. Cheese also provides important nutrients like calcium, which supports bone health, and other essential compounds that help your body function properly while you're losing weight. This makes it not just a comfort food, but a smart addition to a balanced, low-carb lifestyle. Another major advantage of cheese is its convenience and versatility. It requires no preparation, can be added to a wide variety variety of meals and can instantly make your food more satisfying and enjoyable. Whether you include it in salads, pair it with protein, or eat it as a quick snack, cheese gives you a simple way to stay on track without feeling restricted. By adding high-quality, unprocessed cheese into your routine, you're giving your body a satisfying, nutrient-rich option that supports fat loss while still allowing you to enjoy what you eat. Small in size but incredibly powerful in nutrition, sardines are one of the most underrated zero-carb, zero-sugar foods you can add to your diet. They are packed with high-quality protein and healthy fats that help keep you full, satisfied, and energized without causing any blood sugar spikes. This makes them an excellent choice for anyone looking to lose fat while still giving their body the nutrients it needs to perform at its best. What truly makes sardines stand out is their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, which play a major role in reducing inflammation and supporting heart and brain health. Lower inflammation in the body is closely linked to better metabolism and more efficient fat burning, meaning sardines can actually support your long-term weight loss goals. They are also one of the best natural sources of calcium and vitamin D, which are essential for strong bones and overall health. Another powerful advantage of sardines is their convenience and simplicity. They come ready to eat, require no cooking, and can easily be added to salads or eaten on their own as a quick, nutrient-dense meal. Despite their small size, they deliver a huge nutritional impact that helps your body stay strong, full, and energized. By including sardines in your routine, you're giving your body a compact but powerful tool to support fat loss, improve health, and stay consistent with your goals. Now you can see, eating healthy doesn't mean starving yourself or cutting out flavor. By simply choosing the right foods, you can eliminate sugar, reduce carbs, and still feel full, energized, and satisfied every single day. If you start adding even a few of these foods into your daily routine, you will begin to notice real changes in your body, your energy, and your overall health. Don't forget to download your free ebook from the description and the first comment. It will help you take this even further. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because your health journey is just getting started, and I'll be here to guide you every step of the way.